Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're making icing sugar burfi. We're eliminating that sugar syrup or that pag as we call it, and we're making this super easy. You all are going to love this. It's blowing up on TikTok right now, the shortened version that I did. So let me show you the detailed version. So to your powdered milk, we're adding in fresh ginger, Nestle cream or table cream or media cream, cardamom powder, ghee. If you don't have ghee, you want to use something really rich like a kerrygold butter. Using your fingertips, you're going to mix this into the milk. Now it's going to be very sticky, but you're going to continue mixing it until it dries out and it feels very crumbly. It's going to take about 10 to 12 minutes and you want to keep doing this. This is necessary. Now once you finish mixing it, I'm going to transfer it to a smaller bowl. And I'm going to use the bigger bowl to sift it in. Now, you don't have to clean the bowl. Use that same bowl, put your sieve over it and place about a cup of that mixture, and taking your fingertips, rub it through the sieve. It's going to come out on the other side nice and fine, and this is what it should look like. Really nice, fine and smooth, lump free. To this, we're going to add 1 cup of icing sugar, powdered sugar, confectioner's sugar. You do not want to add the powdered sugar before you sift it. Make sure you add it after you sift it and mix that in really well. Now 1 cup of icing sugar to 3 cups of milk is just perfect for my family. It's not overly sweet, but if you wanted to make it sweeter, I would say go with a half a cup milk powder, a half a cup of icing sugar extra. Mix that together really well, and once it's nice and sticky and it looks like this, you don't want it too dry and you don't want it too wet, we're going to transfer it to a lightly greased pan or tray. I use ghee to grease my tray. You can also use that kerrygold butter. And now we're just going to spread it out in a nice even layer. And it spreads out really nice and smooth and fast. Once it's nice and smooth, we'll go ahead and add on our sprinkles. Add as much or as little as your heart desires, how much you would like. And you let it set. It sets up in 15 minutes, guys. I promise you, if you put the correct amount of water in there and you don't make it too soft, it will set up in no time. And then all you have to do is cut it into small squares, and then it's ready to be enjoyed. So make sure when you're adding that hot water, add a little at a time until it comes together. If you add too much and it's too soft, add some powder milk and mix it in. And look how perfect those squares look. No pag. You don't need a pag to make the perfect burfi. You just need to follow my steps, my instructions. And when you break into it, I'm telling you, it's the perfect in the middle consistency of a crumbly and a chewy burfi. It's absolutely divine. So I hope you guys try this. Let me know what you think. Tag me on Instagram so I can see what you make. And have a happy Diwali. Bye everyone.